Hi guys, welcome to Cup of Teach. This time we're going to discuss Proportionality Theorem. The basic Proportionality Theorem or BPT, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then it cut off the segments which are proportional to these sides. Let us name this triangle ABC. Segment XY is the line parallel to the other side, which is segment BC. In this triangle ABC, if X and Y are points on segment AB and segment AC, such that XY or segment XY is parallel to segment BC, then we can say now that AX over AB is equal to AY over AC. Let us apply now the properties of proportion. The following ratio can also be obtained from the figure. So let us use again yung triangle ABC, and XY or segment XY is the line parallel to segment BC. So ang kukunin natin ngayon dito ay yung proportional segment. Palagi lang tandaan kapag proportional segment, kung ano yung kinuha natin sa kabilang side, dapat ganun din sa kabilang side. Kumbaga, corresponding sides. So, let's have here AB. AB over AX. So, kung AB over AX dito, definitely sa kabila ay AC over AY din. Next is AB over AC. So, ang kinuha natin dito ay yung side ng big triangle. So, kukunin naman natin ngayon ay yung side ng small triangle. That is AX over AY. Next is AX over XB. Then, corresponding side niya sa kabila, AY over YC. Next is AX over AY. That is the side of the small triangle. And then we have here XB over YC. Next is AB over AC equals to XB over YC. Next, XB over AB is equal to YC over AC. So let us apply the basic proportionality theorem. In the given diagram, BD is parallel to AE, find DE. This is the given figure. Ang CD natin ay 8, ang CB natin ay 10, at ang BA natin ay 5. So, ang nawawala ay yung DE. So, kunin natin ang proportional segment. So, kunin natin ang CD over DE. Corresponding sides niya ay CB and BA. So, we will have now CD over DA is equal to CB over BA. Substitution tayo. So, we will have now CD 8. Ang DE natin is unknown. Ang CD natin ay 10. Ang BA natin ay 5. Cross multiplication. So, we will have now 10 times DE. Pwede din yung 8 ang mauna times 5. So, unahin ko yung D or DE times 10. So, that is 10 DE is equal to 8 times 5. Then, simplify natin ang 8 at saka 5. So, we will have now 10 DE is equal to 40. Then, to solve for D, we need to divide both side by 10. So, we can cancel 10 now. Sa left side natin ay DE na lang ang matitira. Then, 40 divided by 10 is 4. So, this is now the measure of DE. Let's have another example. In triangle below, AD is equal to 7 centimeters. BD is equal to X plus 6 centimeters, AE is equal to 5 centimeters, and CE is equal to X plus 3 centimeters. Find AB. So, let us label the given figure. AD natin ay 7, BD natin ay X plus 6, ang AE natin ay 5, and CE is X plus 3. Then, kuha tayo ng proportional segment. Kunin natin ang AD and BD. Ang corresponding side niya ay AE and CE. So, we will have now AD over BD is equal to AE over CE. And then, substitution lang. Ang AD natin ay 7, ang BD natin ay x plus 6, AE natin ay 5, ang CE natin ay x plus 3. Cross multiplication, so we will have now 7 times x plus 3 and 5 times x plus 6. Then distributive properties, 7 times x and 7 times 3. And then we have here 5 times x and 5 times 6. So we'll have now 7x plus 21 is equal to 5x plus 30. Then, combine similar terms, ang 5x at ang 7x. So, since mas malaki ang 7x, yung 5x na lang ang ilipat natin beside 7x. Yung 21, lipat din natin sa 30 beside 30. So, always remember kapag nag-transpose tayo, mag-change sila ng sign. So, we will have now 7x minus 5x is equal to 30 minus 21. Simplify, 7x minus 5x is 2x, then 30 minus 21 is 9. Divide both sides by 2 to solve for x. Therefore, ang x natin ay 4.5 centimeters. So, meron na tayong x, pwede na nating isolve yung measure ng BD by substitution. So, ang BD natin ay x plus 6, ang x na natin ay 4.5. Then, add the 2. Therefore, ang BD natin ay 10.5 centimeters. So, meron na tayong measure ng BD, meron na rin tayong measure ng AD. Therefore, i-add lang natin itong dalawa para makuha natin yung measure ng AB. So, we will have now AB is equal to AD plus BD. Substitution, ang AD natin ay 7, ang BD natin ay 10.5. So, 7 plus 10.5, AB is equal to 17.5 centimeters. Let's have here the last example. If PT is equal to 3x plus 1, TR is equal to 3x minus 1, QS is equal to 5x minus 1, and RS is equal to 4x plus 1, find the value of x. So, let us label the given figure. Ang PT natin ay 3x plus 1, ang TR natin ay 3x minus 1, QS natin ay 5x minus 1, and SR is equal to 4x plus 1. And then, kuha tayo ng proportional segment. So, proportional segments, kuhanin natin ang PT and TR. Then, corresponding side nitong dalawa na to, ang PTI, ang corresponding side ay QS. And then, yung TR natin, corresponding side naman niya ay SR. So, we will have now PT over TR is equal to QS over SR. So, substitution, we will have now PT, 3x plus 1, TR is 3x minus 1, ang QS natin ay 5x minus 1, ang SR natin ay 4x plus 1. Then, cross multiplication, 3x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. And then, yung kabila, 3x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. So, we will have now the quantity of 3x plus 1 times 4x plus 1 is equal to the quantity of 3x minus 1 times 5x minus 1. So, dito sa part na to, pwede tayong gumamit ng FOIL method or distributive properties. So, gagamit ako ng distributive properties. So, isa-isahin natin. 3x times 4x is 12x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times 1 is 1. Then sa kabilang side, we have here 3x times 5x, which is 15x squared. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Then this time, combine natin ang similar terms. So, tingnan lang mabuti yung mga similar terms. Pag sinabi natin similar terms, pareho ng variable at pareho ng exponent. So, kinakailangan meron silang dalawang ganon. So, katulad nitong x squared. X squared. So, they are similar. Yung x dito, then x din sa kabila. So, they are similar. Then, yung walang variable, kailangan din natin silang pagtabihin kasi sila yung magkamuka. Therefore, itong kabila na to, yung nasa left side natin, lipat natin dito sa right side, tapos equate natin sa 0. So, tandaan, kapag nag-transpose, you have to change the sign. So, we will have now 15x squared minus 12x squared. So, ito yung nilipat na natin. Minus 3x minus 3x minus 5x minus 4x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, lahat ng naka-red dito, yaan yung mga inilipat natin na nagbago ng sign. And then, pwede na tayong mag-simplify. Yung 15x squared minus 12x squared is 3x squared. And then, negative 3x minus 5x minus 4x is negative 15x. Then, yung positive 1 minus 1 is 0 na. So, hindi na natin siya kinakailangang ilagay. Then, you just copy is equal to 0. Yung 3x minus 15x is equal to 0, pwede pa natin itong i-factor. Common monomial factor, ang common sa kanila ay 3x. So, we will have now 3x times x minus 5. So, ito na yung factors niya. Then, since meron tayong factors dito, magsasolve tayo ng value ng x. So, this time, magiging dalawa ang value ng x natin. So, let's have your 3x is equal to 0. Then, since ito ay 0, therefore, ang x natin ay 0 na. Then, sa kabilang side naman ay x minus 5 is equal to 0. Transpose lang natin ang negative 5 sa right side. So, magbabago lang ng sign. So, x is equal to 5. Pero sa case na to, ang x natin ay 0. So, palaging tandaan, the value of x cannot be equal to 0 because sum of the length will be negative. Therefore, the value of x is only 5. So, ang gagamitin lang nating value yung 5.
Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. If you learned something here, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cup of Teach. See you on the next lesson. Bye!